In this video, I will show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC or Mac first. Open Adobe's website, then click Start Free Trial. You'll see 3 plan options: Individual, Student and Teacher, and Business. Choose the individual plan if you're installing After Effects on a single device, or choose the business plan if you need it for multiple devices. For this tutorial, I'll select the individual plan. It includes a 14-day free trial of After Effects and a 30-day free trial of Adobe Stock. Click Continue, then enter your email address and click Continue again. Next, fill in the required information, including your payment details. Adobe requires a valid payment method, but you won't be charged until the free trial ends, unless you cancel before the billing date. Click Agree and subscribe to continue. After that, install the app and sign in using the same email address you used to start the free trial. Once you're signed in, go to the Apps section, find Adobe After Effects, and click Install. After the installation is complete, you can launch After Effects and start using it during your free trial. And that's how you can download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC or Mac.